If you're looking to freshen up the window treatments in your home, consider sheer cellular window shades. They're fairly easy to install yourself, but take extra care when measuring your windows to determine the window treatment size you'll need. The installation process may vary slightly depending on the product you choose, so always read the manufacturer's instructions before you begin. Most products will come with all the hardware you'll need to install your shades, and this hardware can be installed inside the window frame or outside the window frame onto the wall. Here, we're going to be using the inside mount method. Following the manufacturer's instructions for your shade, use a metal tape measure to measure in from each top corner of the window frame and make marks. Next, position the brackets and mark the holes. Then, use a drill bit smaller than your screws to drill pilot holes through the bracket marks you made, and screw the brackets in place. For a wide window area, you may need an additional center support bracket. The proper number of brackets will be included based on the width of your shade. Finally, install your shade by hooking the headrail into the front of the brackets and rotating back until you hear it snap into place. Finish by lowering and testing your new shade. Here are the tools you'll need to install your shades. If your hardware includes screws with a combo Phillips hex head, you'll want to use a hex bit socket and holder to help guide the screws in straight. For detailed information about this and many other projects, check out the DIY Projects and Ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our store associates. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.